Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to collaborate on Instagram. So before starting this video I want you guys to watch this video until the very end and make sure to like this video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all you need to open up the Instagram application on your Android and iOS. Then you need to tap on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen. So we will basically add a new post here. So just select any picture here. I will select this one, tap on this arrow at the top right, tap on again, and now before tapping on this arrow to make this post public, tap on this tag people option, and here you will see invite collaborator option. So just tap on this one. Now if they accept, your post will be shared with their followers. Okay, so let's suppose if I wanted to collaborate this post with one of my friend here, let's suppose this one, I will just tap on this one, their name, I will just tap on take, and after this I will just post this post. Okay, and and what this will do that this person will get a notification about a collaboration, and if they accept, then your this post will be shown on their profile as well, and their followers will get to know this post, and they will basically react and share your post as well. Okay, so you will get more engagement on your post. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.